Alright, we're taking a look here at the Ford charging station. So if you get this thing mounted on your wall, and as far as charging goes, it's a matter of picking this thing up. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It feels like almost like if you're at a gas pump is the way I would describe it. You go into the side of your Ford here, push that in, and then you take this. I didn't hear a click or anything, but evidently it's charging because I saw these lights flash as soon as I put it in. I would have thought you might have heard a click or something, but once it's in, yeah, it can just pull right out. But it's a matter of just pushing that in there, and then you're charging your vehicle. Because as soon as I pull this out, these lights come off. Watch, see? And then I put it back in, the lights come back on. There's a push button here. And once you're done, you pull it out, close the door, and then you hang up your handle, and there you go. There's your Ford wall mount charging station.